your strong partner of investigation. Next, we have Department of Foreign Affairs. Any representative from client for an employment. Pwede po tayong umakyat sa taas. Ang booth ng DOLE.
The Vice Governor is here.
Short message lang siguro. So first everyone here, happy 111th Aluman Festival. Nandito nga tayo ngayon para sa jobbers program for the Aluman Festival. And of course, ito din yung isang commitment na which hindi sa yun, especially ang job market ngayon, very competitive. Pero I hope everybody will do their best and will show.
So, ang ganda dito ng mga rito. Nickel back. Yaman ng puhunan. Ay, okay. Let's go there. Diyan yung booth namin from Mlang. Booth ng Mlang. Booth ka. So, Kalibungan Festival kasi this week. Kaya, may mga ganito, mga booths. Yaman ng Pulunan. Let's go here, o Yaman ng Mlang. From our municipality. Native products. Pomelo ginger tea. Wow, it's a tea. 250.